Reboni has been manufacturing quality educational and office furniture since 1971. Today, we are a market leader, the largest manufacturer and exporter of school furniture in Africa, renowned for delivering on our promise of superior products at the right price. At the core of our success is the Reboni vision that considers all aspects of this unique African environment. Reboni has the capacity to fulfill large orders. At the heart of our business is a 12,000 square meter state-of-the-art factory in Mokwase near Rustenburg in South Africa's Northwest Province, where every day we produce 2,000 school chairs, 1,000 school desks, 1,500 combination desks, and 300 items of office furniture and upholstered chairs, manufactured from solid timber, board and steel. That's around 1 million pieces of furniture a year. The design of our furniture is integral to our vision to create furniture suitable for diverse educational landscapes and offer workable distribution strategies. Many of our orders come from remote areas, so it is vital that our furniture can be transported in large quantities in the most economical way possible. Our solution is knocked down furniture, designed for easy assembly with minimum skill once it reaches its destination. And our tables and chairs are designed to be stackable to maximize classroom functionality and storage. We also have the design knowledge to manufacture to customer specifications. While we pride ourselves in our ability to produce large quantities of classroom standards, our flexible manufacturing process means that we are also able to accommodate client-specific custom designs and take your unique vision from drawing board to factory floor. Reboni is no stranger to Africa's logistical demands. You can trust our logistical expertise to deliver to the most remote destinations. We have a range of solutions for getting your cargo from A to B. Our vast distribution and assembly supply chain throughout South Africa and Africa means we can ship bulk orders directly to you from our factory. We believe in giving back. In meeting Africa's educational needs, we partner with local businesses, foreign governments and traders, and donor organizations to extend our reach and network in Africa, encourage entrepreneurship, and create jobs. Reboni employs more than 400 people. Our robust government-accredited training program ensures that our staff has access to the knowledge that keeps Reboni at the forefront of technological advances and safety standards for the industry and empowers them as part of the Reboni team. Reboni partners with small businesses. In this way, we contribute in a meaningful way to economic upliftment in all the areas that we serve. Our commitment to the environment extends from our use of International Forest Stewardship Council FSC timber from renewable plantations to a strict quality control process that guarantees sustainability. The quality of our furniture is what truly sets us apart. Our products are designed and manufactured to the highest international standards, and we go to great lengths to guarantee our superior workmanship. In line with our promise to maintain best practice and sustainability in every aspect of our business, our products undergo independent testing to ensure that they are safe, durable, and ergonomically designed. Partnering with Reboni gives you the confidence to create a great place to learn.